This university was established 50 years ago by state charter in 1973. But our history precedes that date by quite a few years. There was a move afoot locally amongst the communities in Akron and Canton and Youngstown and Kent to help give Northeast Ohio a public medical school to be able to serve the needs of the state and to be able to provide a physician workforce to serve members of our community. And that resulted in the formation of what was then called NEOUCOM. The College of Medicine had an initial focus on community-based medicine. The goal was that our graduates would excel and do well to serve the local communities, and we have done that job amazingly well. In fact, if you look at all of the institutions in the state of Ohio that produce medical doctors, by far the number of graduates coming out of this institution stay as a percentage to serve our local communities than any other state or private institution in the state of Ohio. With those successes, the community looked to us to do more. So next we stepped into the world of producing future pharmacists, and we developed the College of Pharmacy. And we grew into College of Graduate Studies next, focused on creating research scientists to improve healthcare in the life science space. And now we're launching off into dentistry. Oral health is the #1 unmet healthcare need in the state of Ohio. We are now a fully accredited College of Dentistry, and we'll be bringing in our very, very first class. So there's been great growth and great expansion over the course of our 50 years, but a huge amount of that acceleration has taken place in just the last 10 years of this institution's lifespan.
I can recall coming out here for the groundbreaking ceremony when there was cornfields in every direction. It was just nothing but cornfields. We looked around and they said, "This is where you're going to get your MD degree." And it was kind of a leap of faith, but we believed it. And it's been such a joy for me to just have watched this place grow up into a burgeoning institution and so much service and healthcare provided to Northeast Ohio and well beyond. This place supports the belief that we have to make sure that the next generation of physicians ascribes to the values of compassion and honor and integrity and honesty and service and respect.
I was very fortunate with extensive faculty support at NEOMED. Something I love about us being such a smaller institution is you really get to know your faculty.
I feel like I got a terrific education, and I felt very prepared to go out and do residency, eventually do fellowship and practice nephrology. That's been another fun thing for me to have watched the profession of medicine become more diverse, certainly more gender diverse. NEOMED is really starting to have some real successes in that regard. It matters, right? Because patients get better care when the workforce that cares for them looks like them. And the more diverse our workforce is, the better our healthcare system is.
The why of our mission is to create transformational leaders and improve healthcare. We're a state institution, and so our mandate is to serve the region, to improve healthcare, to be innovative and creative, to help our communities locally, to be that model educational institute in creating transformational leaders to serve the region and to serve the world. We are here to provide the future of healthcare in Northeast Ohio and beyond.